Hello, it's Friday the 1st of May 2020 and we're doing another lesson on angles and direction. Last week you used your angle finders to find 90 degrees. This week we are going to give instructions to help people move through 90 degrees and right angles. For the 1 stars, I would like you to locate an object using behind, in front of, above and below. 2 and 3 stars, I'd like to give instructions for turning through a right angle or a quarter turn. 1 star challenges, I'm about to give you some examples where I use my dog Bracken to show you how to use the words behind, in front of, above and below. For your task today, I would like you to do the same so you can find where things are behind, in front of, above and below in your house, in your garden. You could put somebody in front, behind, above or below. You could use a toy, it's up to you, but I'm going to show you how I've used my dog today. Bracken is below the washing line. Well, he was. Okay. He is behind the plant pot. He is below the swing. Bracken is below the swing. He is above his toy. He is sitting, lying down, above his toy. Jess is chilling on top of her cat frame. Bracken is in between my legs. Bracken is beside the plant pot. Good boy. Okay, so 2 and 3 star challenges. You are going to give instructions today. So I'm about to show you the different ways that you can complete this task. Okay, so even if you are doing the 2 and 3 star challenge, you can still have a go at doing the 1 star challenge, a little warm up. Now for the 2 and 3 star challenge today, I'm going to use a toy. Okay, so I've used the cat's little mouse and I'm going to give it instructions using right angles. So last week I gave you an angle monster to cut out and use. You can use that again this week if you need to, and if you haven't quite managed to do last week's task, which is using your angle finder to find lots of right angles, then you can have a go at that today. So here's my monster and we need to look for some right angles. If we go along our tiles here, you will see that's not a right angle because it's not along the line, but that is there because it's eating the lines there. So a right angle is where 2 lines come together and they meet. So if we follow this line across there and this line here, okay, so follow them together, they meet there, okay, so here is where your right angle is along here. So if we can double check that with our right angle finder, and he can eat it this way too. On today's task, I've also sent some other videos which will give you some more examples of right angles too, so you can have a look at them as well. Your task today is to draw a route for your toy to go on, okay, and making sure that you've got some right angle and quarter turns there. So I'm going to draw mine now. I can use my right angle finder to make sure that they are a right angle. And then I can go again. Go this way this time. Keep going on a little bit more. And then go along this way. Hello cat, need to move. And then you've made yourself a little route there, like that. So you can put start at the bottom for where you want to start. And finish where you want to finish. So I'm going to do another one here. Okay, and that'll be my finish. So you should have your route finished now for your toy to go on. Now I've got a little mouse to go on mine. Now I have checked to see if my turns are right angles. Using my right angle finder. Okay, so I've used my monster to make sure they're right angles, but I used my monster to help me draw it, so that made double sure that I definitely each of my turns were going to be right angles, and we also call them quarter turns too. Okay, so I'm going to give my mouse the instructions now. So I would like my mouse to go forward and then take a right quarter turn. So left's that way, right's that way. So we're going on a right quarter turn. So we're turning quarter turn there. And then it needs to go a left quarter turn, okay, or left right angle. Up that way, then a right quarter turn through a right angle, and then a left quarter turn again, back through your right angle, and to the finish. So it'll be really good if you could have a go at doing that as well with your toy. So make it a little root, use your monster to help you, and then you should be able to give instructions for turning through a right angle or a quarter turn. And that should hit the 2 and 3 star success criteria for today. So you should have your map all drawn out on here. You should have your angle finder and your mouse to be able to do today's task. And you should have given them instructions and had it nice and videoed to show me. Or you can have a picture of yourself doing it. If you don't want to video yourself, you can just have a picture of yourself and then get it sent back to me. Well done for all of the fabulous work you've been doing this week. You've been very, very, very busy, so well done. And have a lovely weekend.